Guys, welcome to another product review from CarAndTech. So this is basically a smart dash cam from a company called Cubo. They are actually a subsidiary of the Hero Motor Group, and basically, as you know, dash cams are very necessary for nowadays driving conditions. So I thought I'll buy one, and actually the price written on the back is around 5,990, but I got it for 3,500 directly from the Cubo website. It's also available in Amazon for a discounted price, so you can buy either from Amazon or directly from the Cubo site. And the main features of this is that it has full HD recording, and it has low light performance, and it's got wide angle view. I also bought another micro SD card which is of 32 GB size. I got it for around 430 rupees from Flipkart. But basically, make sure that you always buy a card from Samsung. Don't buy the SanDisk, because most of the major dashcam manufacturers doesn't support a SanDisk card. So always go for Samsung or any other class in memory card. So guys, when you open the box, we have a 12-volt adapter for connecting it to the car, and we have the camera itself. This is the camera. Let's see if we have something else inside the box. Okay, we have and a 12 months warranty card, and you can also scan the code for downloading the software for both Android and iOS. And we have seems it's a double-sided sticker. And we have seems to be a mini USB cable. The cable is lengthy enough so that you can connect it to the camera and all the way to the adapter. And we have a pry tool also. We can use this to insert the wire. So that's it basically inside the box. And let's see how the camera looks like. So guys, this is basically the camera. It's just a small unit. It's got mic and speaker, and I think there's an LED notification light also. So we have the micro SD slot over here, and a reset switch, and the mini USB power adapter port. And the build quality, I would say, is fine. It's pretty strong, and it's not flimsy, as you can see. And we have a power on off button also over here. So let's connect it to the car and see how it performs. One more advantage of this Cubo dashcam, you can actually connect it to a power bank. See, the problem is that you need a separate wiring kit for activating the parking mode of this dashcam. But if you have a power bank actually charged up and connected to the dashcam, you can record the video. It can detect any jolt, or like it can detect any shake on your car, and it will start recording. So guys, this is how I fixed the dash cam into the windshield. As you can see, it has a double-sided sticker. I inserted the memory card and I connected, and I took the cable through the car's roof, as you can see, and it goes over here, and then I inserted over there, and then it comes like this, and it gets connected to the USB port. So this is a simple installation, anybody can do it. So guys, I'm going to show you how we're going to connect the dash cam to the power bank, so we can use it as a parking monitor. So what I'm going to do is just connect it through a power bank. Right, as you can see, the lights on the power bank are blinking, and we can see there's also a light on the dash cam. See that? So right now it is actually powered. I'm not using the car's USB socket. As you can see, it's completely powered by the power bank. Okay, so I'm going to keep it here. I'm going to switch off the ignition. Alright, I took my key out, and still the camera is working. You don't need a parking wiring kit, anything guys. You go out of the car, whatever is happening, the camera is being recorded. So it's always you can connect it to the power bank for an extra safety, so you can monitor it, whatever is happening. You give your car for service, and whatever it's being done on your car, it's all being monitored and being recorded on your SD card. See, one more thing you have to do is when you open the app, you have to actually go to the permissions. Okay, go to the app info and go to app permissions, and you have to go to location and give location access for this app all the time. See, if you don't give that, what happens is you cannot see the dash cam on the app. So you make sure you give the location allow all the time, and don't give allow only while using the app. Go to the camera also and give the access to allow only while using the app. Otherwise the dashcam will not be detected on the Wi-Fi network. So I have actually gotten out of the car and I'm using the app to observe what is happening. I can see myself in the app, in the Cubo Dashcam app, and I've locked the car and I come outside, and I've actually powered the dashcam using the PowerBank. So by this method you can observe whatever is happening in front of your car, like if somebody is scratching your car or somebody is standing in front of your car and doing something mischievous, you can use this method. As you can see, this is the clarity of the dashcam in low light. So this is actually around 6:30 in the evening, and the clarity is okay, not that good I would say, but it does the job. And as the lens is not polarized, you can see the glare of the dashboard reflected in the recording. So what I've done is to reduce the glare, I have used some black anti-slip matte on the dashboard, so it reduces the glare to some extent. And it also records the audio inside the car very clearly, and I have muted it for privacy purpose. It also does the recording by 1 minute clips, so you will be able to download the video split into 1 minute only. See, in this clip what I did was I placed a tissue box in the dashboard, so it is getting reflected because of the glare. So I would suggest you to remove anything which is placed on the dashboard, and put something like a black velvet cloth, or as I've shown in the previous video, something like a non-slip mat or something. You can spread it on the dashboard so that the glare is not reflected. So as usual, if you like this video, do give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.